wabarakatuh. Okay, introduce here we from group 9 to explain the procedure of making MySQL database using CMD. Before that, my name is Abdulaziz.
And my name is Ahmad Irfan.
Okay, well we go to directly to the tutorial.
Okay, first uh, we open the control panel, same control panel to activate the ABC and MySQL system. Okay, and then opening the CMD, enter, and then change the directory to same MySQL bin. Okay, error, I'm sorry. Okay, good. Next, let's go to entry the MySQL system. Step is MySQL main code. Okay, here I want to create database from the universitas. The step is using the clause from create database, name database. The name database I want to use universitas. Okay, universitas is already exist. Okay, let's go to the universitas 2. Okay, before using the database universitas, first create the clause from to use database universitas is use universitas 2. Okay, before that I want to create a table from the universitas 2 database. Here I want to, for mahasiswa, structure is number, name, gender, and address. The data type is integer. The length is 10. Not null. Binary key. Name, jar. Gender, and last step is address. Okay, you can just show the tables. Okay, table in universitas 2 is mahasiswa. Okay, next step I want to insert the data from to mahasiswa table. Step is Okay, query okay. If to fill the mahasiswa tables is using the clause is from select all from enter. Okay, number 1 name Abdulaziz, gender male, address Malang. So now the next step is the explaining with my friend.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Rifan. I want to continue step from my friend. I want to insert in number 2 column data of mahasiswa. Insert info mahasiswa. Lalu number 2. Nama gender male, and from Malang. Okay, we can see data table from left. You can see from there. Okay, then I want to insert name and major from table. We can use outer table.
Okay, I want to continue the step from my friend. This I want to update is originally form name in major is empty. The step is update. Okay, next. Okay, the success. Let's show the table. Okay, next update the major. Okay, the update is done, select is done, create is done, and the last step is the delete data. Okay, let's show the table. Okay, the empty set. Thank you.
Okay, that was database tutorial from us.
Okay, if there any mistake, we are apologize.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for
attention.
attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.